exactly do I go? So this is a question I get asked all the time by my students, and I have a lot of tips and tricks to share with you. So not everything I say will be relevant to your situation, but I'll just offer you a lot of different ideas and you can try them on and see if they work for you. So as I've mentioned, when you first get up to standing, you'll want to put your feet in what's called this V position. It looks like the letter V. You could call it a peace sign. That would be nice. All right, so knees are always bent. We know that. Knees are bent, feet are in the V, in the peace sign. And we already started shifting side to side, right, in the previous video. So arms are out here, maybe at your hips, whatever you feel good about, whatever feels good for you in the moment. And you'll start to shift your weight side to side. So what I teach my littles is about penguins. And I ask them, can you picture a penguin? They go, yeah, they love penguins. Everyone loves penguins. And they go, what do penguins look like? And they go like this, and it's really cute. So just bear with me here. Let's be penguins. So penguins, just like skaters, go side to side. You don't have to waddle. Your knees are gonna be bent actually, and you're not the same shape as a penguin. You don't live in the Arctic, but you are going to, when you're first starting to skate, go side to side. Shift your weight into right foot, shift your weight into left foot, okay? You can always just skate around in a little circle by putting more weight into one foot than the other, or you can just go straight ahead. So knees are bent, you're sticking your butt back, you're lifting your chest up, looking where you're going. So remember, you don't want to look down when you're skating. If anything, you can move your eyes down, but keep your head up. Because when you move your head forward, you're gonna shift your weight forward. And when we skate forward, you want your weight in your heels, okay? So really important fundamental principle that we'll build all of these videos off of. So skating forward, weight is in your heels. It's in the back of your body, okay? So get your penguin on, waddle a little bit side to side, practice your stopping like we did in the other videos. And remember to have fun. Try out what I'm offering, make it your own, make up your own way to do it, enjoy yourself, and invite a friend to skate with you. So I hope it was helpful learning how to skate forward, how to go, and I hope that you're having fun. Thanks for being here with me.